Hi everyone, and thanks for tuning in today. So we are at the off-grid property. Derek is going to walk that machine, the excavator. Couldn't spit it out. He's gonna bring it back down to where the camper is, our main site, because now it's time to plan B. So this area is pretty much finished-ish for now until we bring in the next machine. Yeah, and then we need to bring that disc so that he can get all the roots and stumps and everything else out and the crawler. It's time to bring out the crawler. Anyways, one thing at a time. We're gonna move the excavator. It is very foggy out here this morning. Very, very foggy. So, hearing some noises in the bush. Well, once the machine starts, whatever's there is going to get spooked. But yeah, so that is the big job today. We're going to move the machine. And I say big because it's so slow. It's going to take probably like an hour to walk it down there, but that's okay. It's an old machine, and that's what we can afford. But it gets the job done, and that's all that matters. Yeah, so just waiting for Derek to get it running, and then I think my job is to bring the truck back down. I think that's my job. I think. I'm sure I have a job. Let it warm up for a bit. Alright, so he's gonna let the machine warm up for a couple minutes, and then he's gonna start walking it down. I think I'm gonna back up the truck, and then I'm not sure if I'm following down or I'm gonna be in front of him. Not sure, but that's what we gotta get done today. We need walkie-talkies. That's what we need. We need walkie-talkies so I'd be able to ask him exactly what he wants while he's in the machine. On the list of things to get. Well, Christmas is around the corner, so just maybe. Alright, so I should probably go back out and ask him or hand signal to see what he wants me to do. If he wants the truck in first or after. Let's go find out. Let's see if he understands my hand signals. Maybe. Oh. He can see me. Do you want truck in first or you first? No? I don't think he understands. But how about I go right to the machine? It's not like it goes fast. It's not like he can't see me. That's as fast as it goes. I'm not a fast runner, but I'd be able to get through. Do you want me to be in the truck first? Or do you want me to be in the truck after you? Don't matter? Oh, okay. I'm gonna add some hydraulic oil. time. Oh well. Shut it off?
Yeah, I can't open the valve.
Oh.
It's so slippery.
Well, everything's slippery. Everything's wet. Easier that way?
Yeah, I wouldn't open it.
Oh, okay.
Showing that it's full here.
Oh, it's full. Oh.
Yeah, something down there.
Oh no. Why, you had no power?
No.
Oh. So it does not need hydraulic oil. Uh-oh. What does that mean? Don't know. Means uh-oh. Are you still going to try to walk it down, or?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Not fun.
No.
No. All right, well, it was working fine the last time.
Yeah. Yeah.
Who knows? All right, well, it'll be easier for you to work on it down there anyway.
Yeah.
I guess you want the truck to go first or the machine to go first?
You can go with the truck.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Let me just wait you. I'll just go down and then walk up?
Yeah.
Like, okay.
Yeah.
Breakdowns are not fun. No, especially when you're very short on time. You're very limited to the amount of time that you have to work, especially because I'm sure the ones that have been watching us for a while know that we live about an hour away from the property. So it's 2 hours, right? So right off the bat, we lose 2 hours every day. Oh, I think I'm gonna go first. So, right, to be continued. Yeah, so when we have very limited time, because like I was saying, no matter what, we're 2 hours into it, just in the drive. So when something breaks, then it's just not time wasted. It's just then we can't get that time back. And we try really hard to get as much as we possibly can. But here we are. I can wait a couple minutes or 20 or half hour. Since it's a slow moving machine, yes, there's more gears, but they're not working. Anyway, so, and we just don't feel the point. We're not going anywhere fast anyway, so it does not really matter to us. And we don't want to break anything else. So, it happens. For right now, we're just gonna have to deal with what we have. And our goal today was just to walk the machine down to the next area that we're gonna start working in. So, I know he's gonna be bummed out. But I don't know what, I'll have to just maybe bake an apple pie or something when we get home so that he's not as angry. Anyways, it is what it is. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drive the truck down and then I will walk back up. Because I don't think he's going through this trail because it is pretty narrow. He's probably going to go down, I don't know if you can see up ahead here, that's where we brought it through the first time. Right down there. It's kind of hard to tell, but right down there. Anyways, so he's going to probably bring it through there because it's going to be that much easier space. Wow. Man, the truck is sliding like crazy. That red clay is unbelievable. It's wet. So I'm just going to just park it right up here. There's no sense bringing it all the way because we are parking the excavator right back there. Man, that clay is nothing but a mess. Just a mess. Yeah, we're gonna be parking it right here because we're gonna start cleaning this up. We need to get this this big saw log from that tree that we cut down on the last video. We're bringing that back to the farm where the sawmill is, and we're gonna make lumber out of it because we gotta start building here. We need to start building. I want to spend more nights out here. We need to be out here full time, especially with all the trespassers and all the issues and just time. In order for us to get real stuff done, we need to be here every single day. Yeah. But it's so pretty. I love it here. Anyway, we'll see. You can see right over here I was sliding. It's crazy. That red clay is so slippery. But see, I had lots of time. I could have even had a coffee and walked up. I wonder if I should ask if he wants to race. You want to race? I think he laughed. I didn't catch that. No racing? No racing. Because he knows I'll win. Alright, change of plans. I thought he was going to go through on the other road, the other trail that we made. But he says no, he's going to come down the main trail. Alright. He knows best. Yeah. Yeah, that clay. My gosh. So slippery. Huh. You know what? I don't know if you can see that rock. I see that rock. If anybody knows anything about tracks, is they don't like rocks. And that's how tracks fall off. And if I can avoid it and help Derek out in any way, I sure will. Little things that you can prevent, especially if you see it. If you don't see it, then you don't see it, then you can't change it. But I feel that was a smart move. Oh, I see another rock. It's not as big, but he says I'd hate for it to fall off. This would be a bad spot to fall off. He's slowly coming. My next concern is this tree. I wonder if I can move it out of the way. I don't know. It's a pretty big tree, but oh my goodness. Oh. Well, you know what? I think I can. Keep doing that. It might actually just come out. Oh, maybe not. It was moving. So Derek was watching me struggling with that, and he's like, I'll use the machine. I mean, I realized that bucket can do it no problem. I was just trying to help. I might as well get my workout in. I totally get it. It's a lot easier for the machine to do it, obviously, but I got nothing else to do. I'm just here waiting. See, that's right there. Branches are gonna come down. You're gonna start cracking. I'm moving. He might not even have to move that tree. He probably will anyway because he saw me struggling with it. But technically, he's got enough room. I wasn't paying attention to the whole entire tree, just where the root system is. He was going to move that over, but as he moved it over, the whole tree started moving, but all good. As you can see, it's a pretty tight fit. It's a good squeeze, that's for sure. He's been operating it quite a bit, so he's getting, well, it's like everything else, right? He's starting to know the areas that you can actually go through, where before we're looking for bigger spaces. But he knows what he's doing now. He's gotten pretty comfortable with it. It's a good machine. Just an old machine. I know on our drive up here, we saw a place that rents machine. We're like, huh, wonder what we could do with the machine that can run for hours and hours and hours, not stop. And I'm like, yeah, it'd be like buying a brand new truck after driving an old truck. You're gonna have a hard time getting back to your old truck. So, I don't know if that's a good idea, but we are definitely considering renting bigger machinery just to get things, the real important stuff done. I'll come on this side. Oh, that tree. I was gonna say, I don't think you can see the tree. I'm gonna go up, yeah. See right there? He's heading right for that tree right there. It's tight, but it's tight. Just fits. Yeah, you're still okay. Just. Oh boy. Yeah. Go to the other side. As it's taken off the benches. I'm glad I spotted that. On the other side. Yeah, in the clear. Yes, that's why you have a spotter, someone that is on ground that can see these things. Because in that cab, right in that corner, you can't see a thing. It's almost there. See? Machine there. Needs to be right here. It's actually going a lot faster than I thought it would. But then again, we're taking the shorter trail. We didn't take all around. It makes a big difference. That clay. Gosh, look at that. Stuck to the boots. It's slippery. Every time I go and take a step, I'm slipping and sliding. making sure that he had clearance, enough room between the truck. Yeah, I don't know if you heard that. He was just asking to make sure he had enough clearance. I couldn't see him until I spot him right in the corner. I'm like, oh yeah, lots of room. Like it says, you can't see in there. I hear something dripping. Oh, right here. I can actually hear it dripping. Oh boy. Is that just water?
What?
Is that just water that's dripping?
No.
Looks like water though.
Might be, parked on a precinct.
Yeah. Well, it's here.
Yeah.
Was it running okay? No. Yeah, well, at least you'll be able to work on it here.
Yeah.
All right, well, job done. It's not the happiest of the job done, but it's done. It's there. He'll work on it. He'll figure it out. He always does. And then, says we are going to start this job next. Get all these trees out, unfortunately. Get the dead ones out and keep the nice healthy ones. And that way we're thinning it out, so then that way those ones will grow nice and the dead ones, well, we'll just gotta get them out. It's a fire hazard on top of it. I know I do upset some people because we're cutting so many trees, but there is no other way to do it. I need a house, I need a barn, I need fields, I need pastures. There is no other way. If there was, trust me, I'd be doing it, but it is what it is. But anyways, on that note, I guess it was a successful trip out to the off-grid property, future off-grid farm, because we are going to make it an off-grid farm. All right, everyone. I appreciate you all watching and supporting us. As always, have yourself a fantastic day. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, week, whatever it is by the time I post this. All right, everyone. Thank you. Catch you on the next one.